there. Today we're going to explore the Travis picking alternative 1 with alternate thumb and double picking. That's a mouthful. First, let's discuss the fingers, the plucking hand fingers. We're going to use your thumb, your index, and middle finger for this exercise, okay? Just 3 fingers. Now for the strings, we're going to use all the strings, the 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. We're not going to use any chords for now, just to focus on the pattern, okay, the plucking pattern. So here is the actual pattern. First is your thumb, you pluck the 4th string, and then using your 1st and 2nd finger, you pluck the 1st and 2nd string at the same time after that, like that, okay? So 4th string first with your thumb, and then 2 strings at the same time, 1st and 2nd string with your 1st and 2nd finger, like this, okay? After that, you use your thumb again for the 3rd string, and then you pluck again the 2 strings below the 1st and 2nd string with your 1st and 2nd finger, like that. So the whole pattern sounds like this. Thumb, 4th string, 2 strings below, thumb on the 3rd string, and then 2 strings below, like that, okay? So if I play the pattern straight, like that. I'll repeat it twice so you can hear the actual sound of the pattern. Like that, okay? So practice that. Keep on repeating it more than once, more than twice, just to build the muscle memory again. So here, let's try that. If you want to play along, I'm going to play it. This is the tempo. In 4, 3, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like that, okay? So pause the video if you have to and then practice that steady. Now after practicing it, once you build up the memory, the muscle memory of that, let's try it with chords, okay? Let's try it first with an easy chord, the C major chord first. So here. So that's one pattern, okay? One cycle of the pattern. We're going to play it 4 times on C. So here, ready? In 4, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, okay? Now let's try it on a different chord. Let's say F. So you're still doing the same pattern, okay? Regardless of the chords, you're still plucking the same pattern. So on F, let's try it in 4, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then now let's try it on G. Same pattern, okay? Ready? In 4, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try it on C, F, G, and then we end on C again. Okay, ready? In 4, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll change on F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready for G? 1, 2, 3, 4. And on C. There you go. So practice that pattern. What we did was a chord progression of 1, 4, 5. 1 chord, okay? If you're talking about in the key of C, C is number 1, and that's why we call it 4, because it's the 4 letters from C, C, D, E, F, so F is number 4, and the 5 chord from C is C, D, E, F, G. That's why we use C, F, G, okay? And then back to 1, so that's 1, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 1 chord progression in the key of C. If you want to use that chord progression in a different key, let's say D, for example. So your 1 chord is D, and your 4 chord from D, let's count it, D, E, F, G. So G is your 4 now. See? So you start on D, D, E, F, G. And then your 5 chord from D is D, E, F, G, A. So A is your 5 chord. If you're in the key of D, you want to play 1, 4, 5 chord progression. Your 1 is D again. Your 4 is G. Your 5 chord from D is A. Then you end back down to D. You should check out the D chord on your, I'll display it somewhere here maybe. Okay, check out that D chord. The A chord is this one. Okay, and G is familiar already. Okay, so try that on D, G, A, D. Okay, you want to try it? So let's try it just one time. Same pattern, okay, on D, G, A, D. So here we go. 4, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on D. So the sound of the pattern sounds the same. The pattern sounds exactly the same like the one on C, but this is on a different key. So you're just changing the key, the 1 chord, from C, F, G, C. Now you're in the key of D, D, G, A, D. So that's how you do it, okay? So keep on practicing. I'll see you in the next lesson. Good luck.